Thank you everyone for registering for the first ever virtual Southern Region Burn Conference. This year, due to COVID, we weren't able to be face to face with each other, but we are able to see each other virtually. And with our virtual software that we have something called appointments, which I am going to go through with you here now and explain how to set it up with appointments. You can set up an appointment to talk between attendees via Zoom, or you can set up an appointment to talk with an exhibitor so you can still get that exhibitor attendee interaction that you would have at a live conference. So once you log in, you'll land on this homepage, and then right under your welcome your name, you'll see looking to network. So this just is taking you to the appointment software that we have. So first you'll just click schedule appointment. Once you click schedule appointment, you'll land on the appointment calendar, and it'll show up 1 week at a time, and it'll show you your schedule for the conference. As you can see, we had all the sessions line up here when they were released. And then if we have any live events, they will show up here in the week as well. So there's a couple of different ways that you can schedule an appointment. You can go up here to the top left and click create appointment. We do have a couple different features. One is block off time, so you can block off your schedule and put, if you're busy or not, so people will know that they can't schedule during that time. You can do an attendee interaction, which just shows you that you can go here, click attendees add, and you'll be able to see every attendee that you would like. And you can actually select more than one attendee if you'd like to do like a group Zoom call. And then once you select the ones you want, click add attendees. And make sure that this virtual access stays here, because that just means that you guys will be able to join the appointment virtually, so don't even touch this. Make sure your time's correct. You'll be able to see the available time slots that we have, and if all of them will be available or not. You'll be able to see 5 out of 5 are available. Put the subject you want, put a description, and then you'll be able to click send appointment invitation. Lastly, we had the exhibitor appointment option. When you click it, you'll do the same thing like you would attendees, click add, and you'll be able to see everyone that we have registered as an exhibitor. You'll be able to see their name, their title, and what company they are with. And so you can click any one of those. And then again, you'll just add time, make sure everyone's available. You'll put a subject line in and a description, and then you'll be able to send appointment invitation. There's actually another way that you can schedule appointments. Click directory in the top right-hand corner. And then as you can see everyone that is an attendee, because that's what's selected up here in the top left-hand corner. So you'll be able to go through here, find who you want, and then you'll request appointment to the side, and then you'll go through the same thing that you would do the other one, an attendee interaction or exhibitor appointment. And you'll be able to tell if they're an exhibitor or an attendee, because you'll be able to see the exhibitor company name right here. But if you want to distinguish between exhibitor and an attendee, you'll go up here to the top left-hand corner and click the exhibitor option. And as you can see, we have 7 current exhibitors. So you go over here to request appointment, click exhibitor appointment, and then you'll fill out the necessary information to create the appointment. Then up here, you'll be able to see your confirmed appointments in the top left-hand corner if you do have one, whether it's an attendee interaction or an exhibitor appointment. Lastly, I'm going to show you another way to search in the directory for people if you know that they're registered for the 2020 conference. So go up here and you'll click in the search engine and start typing in a name. And when they pull up, you'll just click request appointment, and you'll follow through the same steps as before. And then lastly, you can also search by company name or title as well. So if you know the company name, just paste it in. And then you should be able to see everyone associated with that company. And then you'll click request appointment, and then you'll go through it the same steps as before. And that's it for the 2020 Southern Region Burn Conference appointment scheduler tool. We still wanted to have a way that you could interact with each other as well as interacting with exhibitors, more importantly. Thank you, and start scheduling appointments.